Hey everyone, welcome back to Staro Technology, where I keep crypto real, simple, and fun. Today I'm diving deep into the official tokenomics of the KIVA network. The team finally revealed how the 2 billion KIVA tokens will be distributed, and it says a lot about where this project is headed. So if you want to know who gets what, how much goes to the team, the investors, and you, the community, stick around. I'm breaking down everything clearly with real-life examples and zero hype. Let's get into it. First, let's get the big number out of the way. The total KIVA token supply, 2 billion tokens. That's 2 billion with a B, that number is fixed. No burning, no minting. So everything that happens in the future comes from this pool, which makes understanding how it's divided super important. Let's start with the biggest chunk. 50% goes straight to the community. That's 1 billion KIVA tokens, and that's a very good sign. But what does community actually mean? It's staking rewards for people who lock up their tokens to help the network, mining or participation tasks like mobile or DApp engagement, airdrops and engagement rewards from completing missions to bringing in friends. Think of it like loyalty points at your favorite store, but those points might one day pay your bills. This is how they'll fuel growth and keep the community active. Next up, 13.8% goes to investors. Now before you scream, they're just giving tokens to the rich. Remember, these are the early supporters. They bring in capital, partnerships, and experience usually before the project even launches. But here's the thing, 13.8% isn't massive. Some projects give 30 or even 40% to investors. So KIVA is striking a healthy balance, bringing in help, but not letting investors control the network. Then, 10.5% goes to the team and founders, the developers, designers, engineers, the people actually building KIVA. And this is usually vested, meaning they can't just dump their tokens and move on. It's like paying your builders with shares over time, keeping them motivated to stick around and build something lasting. Next, 7.9% is set aside for liquidity. Why does this matter? Well, without liquidity, trading KIVA would be a nightmare. Prices would swing wildly, and you'd pay huge fees. This chunk keeps trading smooth and stable. Think of it as fuel for your car. Not exciting, but totally necessary. Now 4.7% goes to reserves or treasury. That's the emergency fund. It can fund future partnerships, support the ecosystem in tough times, or handle surprise expenses. It shows the team is thinking long-term, which is always a good thing. After that, 4.5% is for the public sale or IDO, the portion regular people can buy at launch. It's not huge, but it's enough to put real tokens in real hands and support decentralization. 4.4% is reserved for development, new features, upgrades, bug fixes, you name it. A good dev fund keeps the platform fresh and evolving, not stale. And finally, 4.2% goes to strategic partners and advisors, the folks helping KIVA grow through marketing, community building, tech support, or partnerships. It's fair, and it shows they're bringing real value, not just hype. So now you know exactly where the 2 billion KIVA tokens are going and why each part matters. Let me know in the comments what you think of this tokenomics. Is it fair? Would you invest in KIVA, or are you just watching? Hit that like button, subscribe to Staro Technology, and share this video with anyone thinking about joining the KIVA ecosystem. I'll keep breaking down crypto projects, clearly no hype, no fluff. See you in the next one. Peace out.